Welcome to another episode of ANE-FreeInIty, and today we will talk about flysky. So this is the transmitter and this is the receiver. So let's talk about the transmitter part. So here you can see this is the transmitter. It's the fs-i6 transmitter, and this is, you can see, this is a fs-ia6 receiver. So at first, if you talk about the transmitter, so this is a 6-channel transmitter. It has 6 channels, like this is the one channel, and this is another channel, and this is third channel, and this is fourth channel, and there are 4 switches. You can see 1 2 3 4, and there is 2 knobs. So here is 2 another channels also. And this system, this transmitter works on a 2.4 GHz frequency range. It has telemetry capability. It also dual rated. It can trim. It has gear. It has flip. It has gyro again adjust. It has many flight modes, and it has throttle hold, hover pitch switches, etc, etc. And for this flysky, it's quite easy to program. You can see here the navigation keys. We just, with this navigation keys, we can program this flysky or this radio pretty easily. It has more than 20 model memories, like I'll just show you after a short period of time. And there is a little bit of LCD display. You can see this is the display. So this is a backlight LED display, not a LCD display. And here you can see, like, this is the transmitter voltage. Here is the TX V1, that is transmitter voltage, and it's now 5.90 volt, and this is the model. There you can see flysky 01. The RF range, or the radio frequency range of this module, is 2.4 to 2.48 GHz, and it has 142 band, and the bandwidth is 500 kHz. The RF power for this module is less than 20 dBm. It has a sensitivity over 1024. Actually, in this module, in this, we can select transmitter. If the voltage, here you can say this is the voltage 5.90 volt. If it drops below 4.2, then there will be a buzzer ringing, like this is the low voltage warning for this transmitter. And for this transmitter, here there is 2 antennas. You can see there is inside of this kind of bar, there is antenna, and here is also another antenna, and each antennas are 26 mm long, and this is quite light. This is only 392 gram. And also there is the power source. We give power with 4 double batteries. We need like 6 volt. So each double batteries contain 1.5 volt. So that is, we need 4 double batteries. And this is really quite a very good transmitter, because we can update this transmitter via online, or there is a cassette. You can see we can update the firmware using this cassette, and also via online. So this is the transmitter part, and here is the receiver part. So this is, you can see, like, this is a fs-ia6 receiver. Here it is. This is the receiver. So this also has 6 channels, like you can see. Let me just focus. Now it is, yeah, like channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, and channel 6. The frequency range for this receiver is also 2.4 to 2.48 GHz. The bandwidth is 140. The transmitting power for this module is also 20 dBm. It's less than 20 dBm actually. So just, there is a focusing problem because of this. So now it should be okay. Yeah, this is quite okay now. And the RF receiving sensitivity, or the radio frequency receiving sensitivity, is like negative 105 dBm or minus 105 dBm. And it also has, you can select 2 antennas. These are 26 mm antennas, 26 mm long antennas. and this works on 4 to 6.5 volt DC power supply. Like, let me just focus a bit. You can see like this middle is positive and the right one is negative and the left one is, this is the signal. So here you can see this is the middle column. So this middle column is all positive and the right column it's all ground, or you say like negative. Let me just take a look, and you can see like the left row, this is all signal wire, and this receiver it's quite light, it's only 14.9 gram, and you can see like this is the binding plug. So for binding we just use this BVCC slot for the binding plug. So that's all for this receiver. Now let's talk about the transmitter part. First of all, you can see there is two joysticks, this is one and this is another. So this is called throttle or like altitude, and this one is called yaw, or you can say like rudder, and this up down on the right hand up down joystick, this is pitch or elevator, and this is left right, this is roll or aileron. And here you can say like, see these buttons, these are the trimmers, this is the trimmers for like throttle or altitude, and this trimmer, you can say this trimmer is for yaw, or you can say like rudder, this trimmer is for pitch or elevator, and this trimmer is for roll or aileron. And you can say like this is the camera mount, you can mount your phone here, and 1 2 3 4, these are the 4 switches. This is just only one step, on and off. This is 1 2, and this is also 1 2, and this is 1 2 3 3 2 1, and these are the two knobs, you can say. So for some setup we just need to power this up like this, and you can see like if you just bind this transmitter with our receiver, then you can see like there is one only signal, this is the transmitter signal, and after the binding you can see like RX, that will be the receiver signal, and you can see each voltages of transmitter and receiver. Here this is, you can select flysky 1, this is the model, flysky model, and if you just press OK, then this is the menu, this is the system and this is setup. Then if you just click OK, then this is the model 1, this is name, you can select name with this. I don't select any name, you just cancel this by for the back like, and OK for selection and cancel for back, and this is down, this is up, you can see RX setup, firmware update. You can go anywhere with this, and this is the setup, this is the function setup. You can, if you just need to reverse something, like if you want to reverse your pitch or your roll, you can reverse it. It's like end position, display, this is the auxiliary channel, so these are the auxiliary channels, you can see. This is switch, this is throttle hold. So there is a lot of functions which I will be talking in my next episode maybe. So now just quickly take a look how to factory reset, this flysky. So for doing this we first need to like power this off, and then we need to go to the menu, so long press OK, and then we need to go to system, so OK for the system, and then we need to go to down, and then you can select factory reset, then press OK, and then again press OK. So are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. So we just reset our, this is like a new flysky, new transmitter. You can again just program whatever you want, and you can always factory reset and delete your data, or you can set the default system using the factory reset. And there is also another way of factory setting. So for doing that, we need to just hold our joysticks like this, and then powering off. So this is the factory. So you can direct go to the factory, that is restart. So if you just press OK, then it will just restart your device, or you can select your transmitter.